Why set spending limits in family budgeting apps?
Setting spending limits is crucial for keeping household finances under control. These limits ensure that everyone in the family stays on track with monthly goals and prevents overspending. Family budgeting apps make monitoring easier by tracking each person's expenses in real time, providing a clear overview and helping families avoid financial surprises.
Choosing the right categories.
Identify essential spending categories like groceries, entertainment, transportation, and more. Setting limits for each category helps you prioritize what matters most for your family. Collaborate with all family members when picking categories to guarantee everyone's expenses are included and no important area is overlooked.
Involving the whole family.
Open discussions are key when establishing spending limits. Involving all family members, adults and kids, encourages accountability and teamwork. Explain the reasons behind each limit and listen to everyone's input so the agreed amounts are realistic and fair. This approach can help reinforce responsible money habits for everyone.
Using app features to monitor progress.
Take full advantage of your budgeting app's features. Most apps offer tools such as alerts, spending summaries, and visual graphs to help you monitor progress. Enable notifications to warn you when you're approaching a limit, and review reports together regularly to spot trends or potential problem areas early.
Adjusting limits and staying flexible.
Review spending limits regularly and make adjustments as needed. Unexpected expenses or changes in income can happen, so being flexible ensures your budget stays realistic. Use the app's history and reports to inform adjustments, keeping your financial goals achievable even as your family's needs evolve.